This 2022 Thor Motor Coach A.C.E. 32.3 is a Class A RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, water heater, TV, air conditioning, refrigerator, slide-out, awning, LP detector, microwave, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk beds, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2022 Thor Motor Coach A.C.E. 32.3 is built on a Triton V8 chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.